Explore use cases for Agentforce for service. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you'll be able to understand the use cases for standard topics and actions. Review use cases for custom topics and actions by industry. Standard topics and actions. A key success metric for service organizations has always been understanding what customers are asking for and, more importantly, knowing how to provide the best answers. That was the success metric of the past. Today, success is defined by a higher level of personalization and speed, using natural language that not only understands context, but is also grounded in reliable, trusted data. This is where Agentforce for Service truly excels. Topics and actions play a crucial role in personalizing responses and understanding customer intent. The benefit of using standard topics and actions is that agents have a framework for completing common public actions/tasks. An action can't function without being linked to a topic, and a topic is ineffective without associated actions. Note: actions/tasks that can be considered private, such as updating personal appointment details, making purchases, or requesting services on a support contract, require further configuration before the agent can be deployed. What does Agentforce for Service include, and how can these features be applied to different types of interactions? Here are a few examples. Keep in mind, these are intentionally broad to serve as a starting point. These interactions can and should be tailored to meet the specific needs of each business. Standard topic: account management. Customer asks, "What's my account number?" "My account is locked. Please help." "I need to update my account info." "I need to reset my password." Instructions: greet the customer by their first and last name. Answer questions with empathy. Always ask the customer to verify through their phone number first, and then email address. Standard action: get customer details. Reset password. Standard topic: case management. Customer asks, "I have an issue and need to open a support ticket. What's the status of my case?" "There's new info that requires a case to be updated." Instructions: don't ever show case ID to a customer. When sharing case details, show in this order: case number, subject, description, and status. Standard action: create a case record. Get cases for contact. Get case by case number. Update customer contact record. Standard topic: order inquiries/delivery issues. Customer asks, "When will my order arrive?" "I need to make changes to my order." "I need to cancel an order." "My package is marked as delivered, but it's missing." "I won't be home. Can I change my scheduled delivery?" "This is time sensitive. Can you expedite my item?" Instructions: if a package is lost, immediately escalate it to a live agent. If scheduling changes are requested, always confirm a delivery date and look up available time slots. Standard action: get order by order number. Identify customer by email. Cancel order. Get delivery time slots. Finalize new delivery time. Standard topic: reservation management. Customer asks, "I need to make a new reservation." "I need to modify an existing reservation." Instructions: if the customer isn't known, always ask for their email address and get their contact record before making a reservation. Once the customer approves and confirms the date, confirm the reservation. Standard action: finalize reservation. Get reservation time slots. Standard topic: escalation. Customer asks, "The agent can't answer my question. Can I speak to an agent?" "My issue is still not resolved. Can I speak to a human?" Instructions: if the customer asks to speak to a live agent at any time, escalate the conversation. Standard action: route conversations to Agentforce for Service. Standard topic: general FAQs. Customer asks, "I have a question about your return policy. Where can I find warranty information? How do I submit a claim?" Instructions: if a customer's request is too vague, ask for more details and clarification. If you're unable to answer their question, ask them if they want to transfer to a live agent. Standard action: answer questions with knowledge. Custom topics and actions. Standard topics and actions are useful and editable, but what if a more personalized approach is needed to engage with customers, complete tasks, and deliver responses that perfectly match brand and tone? This is where creating custom topics and actions becomes essential. Custom topics and actions help agents stay focused, complete tasks efficiently, and provide guidance based on a company's unique customer needs, all while aligning with the brand's tone and voice. But which topics and actions are right for you? Below are some examples of industry topics, the type of interaction a customer can have, and an example of the type of action to create based on the given topic. Keep in mind, these are examples and are only meant to give a framework of how custom topics and actions can help agents in a particular industry. Industry/category, healthcare management. Customer ask/interaction. Medication summary, change a beneficiary. Schedule appointments for surgeries, checkups, specialists/follow-ups. Find a doctor in network. Covered medical benefits/out-of-pocket costs. Suggestions for doctors outside of network. Access doctor notes from last visit. Custom action. Confirm patient identity by email or phone number. Get appointment time slots. Finalize appointment. Retrieve patient history record. Answer in-out network with knowledge.
Industry/category, retail management. Customer ask/interaction. Pricing adjustments. Promotional discounts. Inventory lookup. Suggestions for out-of-stock items. Upsell/resell. Warranty claims. Order history. Personal shopper. Custom action. Retrieve customer order history. Get current product pricing. Create new claim record. Route conversation to Agentforce personal shopping agent. Access post records. Industry/category, nonprofit sector. Customer ask/interaction. Donation history. Donor summary. List of charities by type. Tax exemption status/codes. Recurring donation setup. Custom action. Access customer donation records. Create new donation. Answer donation questions through knowledge. Industry/category, travel arrangements. Customer ask/interaction. Loyalty status. Reservations for airfare, hotels, cars. Suggestions for attractions. Activity/booking appointments. Cancellation policy. Partner/vendor lookup. Custom action. Retrieve customer records and verify with email/phone. Get attraction details. Create travel reservation. Personalize schedule. Retrieve partner info with knowledge. Industry/category, insurance. Customer ask/interaction. Claim status. File a new claim. Policy information. Pricing/renewals. Update/changes to policy. Custom action. Verify customer records by phone number. Create new claim. Create renewal record. Modify existing policy. Now that you understand topics and actions and explored a number of agent use cases, move on to the next unit and delve into how the Agentforce data library enhances accuracy in service and builds customers' trust.